How are you?
Okay.
Kamusta,
Magaling yun. Magaling.
kamusta naman facing the media after everything? Charot.
Okay naman.
Wala lang.
Wala.
Wala. Chika-chika lang.
Yes.
Movie comeback after 7
Correct.
years.
Tagal na nga eh. Oh,
Miss, oo nga.
namiss ko kayo.
Wait, so,
Right.
7 years. What made you say yes to Salvage Land?
Kasi even before, nung very active pa ako sa movies, very script-based yung mga ginagawa ko ng mga movies. So, nung dumating itong script na to, ang ganda ng movie na to. Tinignan ko yung schedule ko. Tama-tama, ang gulo-gulo sa Congress. Ako, out muna ako dyan. Ah, bahala kayo sa gulo nyo, tatrabaho ko dito. I'll do a movie. So, yun.
And
In the midst of the turmoil in Congress, nakatapos ako ng isang pelikula.
how did that help you, yung turmoil sa Congress? Because parang Elijah was telling us na may mga mini-mirror to na what's really happening.
Well, it's mirroring life, no? At saka yung basically society. Kami ni Elijah, nasa police force kami, so makikita mo yung trabaho ng police, then kasama rin din yung mga may corruption sa government, no? Yung mga ganung similar na mga problema. So, nami-mirror 'yon.
So parang ito yung nag-distress sa'yo sa mga nangyayari.
It's actually, a distressing, how do you say it? Distressing time for me.
Hindi ba distressing yun? Pero yung topic and theme, corruption.
Okay lang kasi movie naman. So it's a wonderful time to be back in my own turf
Yun
as
nga.
an actor.
How's the atmosphere ngayon? As we speak.
Buti na lang recess kami ngayon. So pahinga muna. Kaya medyo tahimik ang Congress ngayon. Senate lang ang maingay. Pero
The group chats. May
well,
group chats
hindi
ba?
ko may maraming group chats ba hindi ko binabasa. Actually tahimik lahat eh.
Oo.
Oo.
Because of what?
Okay. Tahimik lahat sa Congress ngayon.
How, and then with this one, kumbaga, how was it working with Elijah?
It's wonderful nung hindi ko pa nakatrabaho si Elijah before. So, nung sinabi sa akin, ito si Elijah, ganito siya. Sabi ko, galing pala. And then, I had the time to watch yung play niya. Pinanood ko sa Ateneo. Sabi ko, galing pala to ah. Galing. Silang dalaw ni Agot Isidro.
Nagitan.
Nagitam.
Dagitab. And then, nung binabasa ko yung script, ang ganda. And when we started working with Elijah, magaling si Bagets.
Did you feel like you missed acting?
I missed it. I missed it.
Uh-huh.
I missed it. In fact, yung first 2 days ko, sabi ko kay Pia, yung manager ko, Pia, sabi ko, kailangan kong mag-warm up kasi ang tagal kong hindi nag-artista. Alam mo yung trabaho namin, we memorize pages and pages of lines. I haven't done that in a long time. So, yung first 2 days, parang hirap na hirap ako mag-memorize, no? Until nakuha ko ulit yung routine. Yun.
How did you, nag-ano ka ba, refresher about
I
acting?
really have to go through the whole script and then reread, and then I was acting alone. I was doing my lines. Okay naman.
Can you share us about